everyone, we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can make our Windows 11 faster by just following these few simple steps that I'm going to show you ahead. So please do finish watching this video till the very end. And first thing we need to do is to go to our settings. So we can do that by simply making a right click here in the Windows icon. And if you see the settings option, please click on that. Once you do that, you will be able to open the settings window. So here in the left pane, you will see all kind of options here. So please just go to System. You will be able to see the storage options under power and battery. So we have here storage, space, drives, configuration rules. So please click on storage, and once you do that, you will be able to see this kind of window here. So we will be looking for storage sense, and we will be turning that on. So just scroll down. We have the storage management section. All you need to do is just to look for storage sense option, and if you see that this is turned on, then that's well and good. If this is grayed out and if it says off, then please click on that button and then it will be turned on. Once you're done with that one, we will now be proceeding with the power and battery. So go back again with System, and then we will be going to this option, power and battery, screen and sleep, battery usage, power mode, energy saver. Once you click on that, you will be able to see this kind of window. So all you need to do is just to choose best performance. So for the power mode, just click this drop down button here, and then if you see the balance and best power efficiency, click this button here, and then please choose best performance for this one. And then you can also choose on battery. Click this drop down button, and then you can also choose the best performance option here. So for the both of them, in the power mode option, please select best performance option. Once you're done with this one, you can now disable few services. So let's just close this window and we will open the run window. So here in the keyboard, please press Windows R key all together, and then we will be typing services.msc. So once you are done typing with services.msc, you can now click on OK or Enter. And once you have done that, you will be looking for the connected user experience. So please select one service, go to your keyboard, press C. Again, select that service, go to your keyboard, press C, and we will be brought to the C section. So we will just scroll down. We will look for connected user. It's this one, connected user experiences and telemetry. So please click on that, and all you need to do is just to disable this service. And how can you do that? So please make a right click, and then if you see this properties option here, please click on that, and please go with the startup type. You will see this startup type under general tab. Please click on this drop down button. So as you can see, for the startup type, the automatic option is chosen. So please click this drop down button here, and then click on disabled. And then once you have done that, you can now click on apply and then click on OK, and then do the same thing with remote desktop. So we will be looking for remote desktop. This one, remote desktop services. All you need to do again is just to make a right click and then go to properties. Here we need to set the startup type to disabled. Once you have done that, click on apply, click on OK, and then we will do the same thing with settings. We will be going to settings. So once you have done that, you're done with this window. So just please close this window, and then we will be going to settings. So please click on this Windows icon and then go click on settings. Once you have done that, we will be able to see accessibility options here in the left pane. So please click on that, and we will be turning off the transparency and animation effect. So if you see transparency and animation effect, please turn that off. You can see that in the visual effects. And then if you see this transparency effects, as you can see, this is turned off. And for the animation effects, turn that off also by just clicking this button here, and then it will be grayed out. That means that is off. Once you're done with this one, just go to the task manager. Go to Task Manager. Please make a right click here in the taskbar. Go to Task Manager options, and if you click on Task Manager, let me just expand this one. If you click on Task Manager, you will be able to see all the applications here, and in the left hand side, you will be able to see this Startup Apps option. So please click on that. Once you click on that, you will see all the enabled and disabled applications during startup. So if you see that this is not already enabled, applications are not on the top, then you can click on this status button here, and then you will see that the enabled applications are now all on the top. So please go over all the enabled applications and then determine if that is unnecessary, and if you think that is unnecessary, all you need to do is just to disable it. So how can you do that? Make a right click and then click on this disable button, and then just do the same with all the applications that you don't want during startup. So once you're done with this one, just close this window. Let us open the run window. So please press in your keyboard again the Windows R key, and then we will be opening the run window. So here we need to type clean mgr. And once you're done typing, just please click on OK or enter. And by default, it will choose the C drive. So please click on OK. And here, all you need to do is just to select for the files or items that you want to be deleted from your device. So all you need to do is just to check this one, see if you don't need this option, and then check. Once you're done selecting or checking, just click on OK, and then this small window will be coming up. All you need to do is just click this delete files. Once you're done with this one, we will be running another command, which is the appwiz.cpl. So again, open the run window. Here we need to type appwiz.cpl. Again, it's appwiz.cpl, appwiz.cpl. Now once we're done with this one, just please click on OK or enter. And once you do that, you will be able to see all the programs and features window here in the device. All you need to do is uninstall any program that you found unnecessary. So how you can do that, or how can you do that? All you need to do is just to make a right click on the selected device and then click on uninstall, and just do the same with all the other applications that you don't usually use. Once you're done with this one, the very last thing is to update your Windows. So please go with your settings and then click on that settings icon again. Here in the left wing, you will see at the very bottom part section, you will see the Windows update. So please click on that, and you will be able to check whether your device is up to date or not. So if you're not up to date, all you need to do is just to click this check for updates, download all the updates that are necessary for your device and install them, and then you will now be able to make your Windows 11 faster than before. So that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.